this much, except to those who have been at my house or my neighbors. I just wanted to show you the tree that I was really, really concerned about hitting our house during Hurricane Matthew was this giant dead sweet gum tree. It just keeps going. Okay. It's lost some of its larger branches on the ground. Well, not larger, but some of its branches on the ground. And there's our house. Okay. So while I was praying for our house and praying that the dead tree wouldn't fall on our house, I didn't know about much else. See my giant oak tree? I pointed it out in my video if you saw it. Well, right here, it's the left side and the right side of my giant oak tree. And way, oh, not so way up high, it stops. On the left side, you can see it's totally broken. I'm going to pan my camera around and tell you the left side is the side my house is on. In perspective, there's the sweet gum right through the tree. The left side. This tree leans relatively harshly to the left toward the house. The right side leans towards the road. What happened was the left side, instead of falling on the house in the hurricane, went to the far right and fell down to the ground. The top half of it. That means this tree was twice this size and fell on the ground. Now, Chris and Debbie came over and helped us move a bunch of it. But I wondered why I wasn't moving it. Why we weren't getting motivated to move this giant tree limb. You can see the mailbox. Didn't hit the mailbox. Didn't hit the bushes or the weeping willow. Didn't hit anything of value in our house or our yard. But this booger is big and heavy. Now, some people would say it's the wind. It's an oak tree. Oak trees are known for being so heavy. This scar on my leg is from an oak tree limb, smaller than those right there, scratching me. They're heavy. These are the smaller logs. What was happening here was every time